This market moved $1 billion today because of one sentence. The upward trend is dominating. Key headlines. Best travel credit cards for January 2026, earn free flights, hotel stays, and more. Mortgage lenders with the best rates this week. January 5th, 2026. 11 savings accounts with interest rates of 4% APY and higher. Updated weekly. The best credit cards for Airbnb rentals in January 2026. Earn points and cashback for your stay. 4 money market accounts with interest rates of 4% APY and higher. Updated weekly. Here's what to expect from Omnicom's next earnings report. Baby boomers. The best advice I heard when I was young still applies today. Mortgage and refinance interest rates today. January 6, 2026. Bubbling just above and below 6%. The high-quality dividend plays still paying investors 4% and up. Best credit cards with no annual fee for January 2026. Memory chip makers rise as global supply shortage whets investor appetite. Mobileye secures deal with major U.S. automaker, boosting production outlook. The best balance transfer credit cards for January 2026. Don't pay any interest until 2027. Venezuelan bonds rally on Maduro ouster. What you need to know ahead of PepsiCo's earnings release. The best financial habits to start in January. Backed by data. CEO Elliott Hill is buying Nike stock. Should you? Best high-yield savings interest rates today. January 6, 2026. Earn up to 4% APY. Palantir. Buy. Sell. Hold. Doesn't matter. There's ways to lose money no matter what. Microsoft stock is entering an inflection year. What Dan Ives thinks is coming for MSFT. Hong Kong debuts digital platform to centralize cargo tracking. What does Dimensional International Value ETF offer investors now? DFIV ETF. Should you buy the dip in this S&P 500 underdog in 2026? This is one of the best artificial intelligence AI stocks to hold for the next 10 years. Should you invest in the stock market in 2026? Here's Warren Buffett's best advice. 5 best banks and credit unions for military in 2026. Is this a good time to buy a house? Why CrowdStrike CEO just spent a reported $300 million to become a partial owner of the Mercedes F1 team. Royal Caribbean Cruises quarterly earnings preview. What you need to know. Stocks climb on AI spending optimism and strength in energy producers. When will mortgage rates go down? The outlook heading into 2026. The only Vanguard ETFs I'd buy and hold through any market. Best credit card sign-up bonuses and welcome offers for January 2026. Enjoy boosted first-year credit card rewards. Oil stocks sharply higher after U.S. action in Venezuela. Trinity Logistics acquires Minnesota freight partner Granite Logistics. The best credit cards for January 2026. See our picks for the top cashback, rewards, travel cards, and more. Trump accounts explained. How they work. Who qualifies. What to expect from Comcast Corporation's Q4 2025 earnings report. Dollar rallies and precious metals surge on geopolitical risks. Market update. REIN. Tomorrow's data could change everything. Subscribe for the next update.